In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Discord account. Discord is a free platform for voice, video, and text chat, and setting up your account only takes a couple of minutes. I'll guide you through the process slowly so you know exactly what to expect and how to avoid common hiccups. First, open your web browser and go to discord.com/login. This takes you to the sign-in page. Since we're creating a new account, look for the option that says Register. It's usually near the bottom of the login form. Click Register to open the account creation form. Now, fill in the required details. Enter a valid email address that you can access right now, because you'll use it to verify your account. Add your preferred display name, which is the friendly name people will see in servers and chats. Then choose your username, which serves as your unique handle. Pick something simple, appropriate, and easy to share. Create a strong password you'll remember. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. Finally, enter your date of birth. Discord uses this to apply safety features and make sure you meet the minimum age requirements in your region. Double-check everything for typos, then click Create. Discord will set up your profile and prompt you to confirm your email. Head to your Gmail inbox and look for a message from Discord. Open it and click the Verify Email button inside. That click links your email to the new account and fully activates it. If you don't see the email right away, give it a minute and then check your spam or promotions folders. Make sure you're looking at the same inbox you entered during sign-up. If it still hasn't arrived, refresh the page and try searching for the word Discord in your email. The verification link typically expires after some time, so once you find the message, open it and complete verification as soon as you can. And that's it. You've created your Discord account and verified your email, so you're ready to start exploring communities, chatting with friends, and joining voice channels whenever you like. Keep your login details safe. And remember, your email is the key to recovering your account if you ever forget your password. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Discord.